If you have been using ChatGPT to create your images for your coloring books, and you notice there is this slowdown whenever you want to generate an image, slow down to up to 90 seconds, you're not alone. A lot of creators are noticing this slowdown. So what are your options? When you work a 9-to-5 job and you have decided that you want to start a coloring book side hustle business, you need to have access to the most efficient and fastest AI generating tools that you can get your hands on. ChatGPT is the household name for most people, and since their last update, it hasn't been delivering. For me, I signed up for a 30-day trial for Google Gemini AI. So I am going to put them to the test so you don't have to, so we can decide which one is better, Gemini or ChatGPT. Let's go to the computer. So now we're going to put our prompt in, and you're going to see what we're talking about right here. Look at this right here, honey. I'm going to go get a drink, literally. While we wait for this to generate, I just want to share with you guys that I have found the formula for if you work a toxic 9-to-5 job, besides quitting that job and getting something else, get you a side hustle. After I started my side hustling stuff, my job don't bother me anymore. I am so at peace with looking forward to creating these videos and generating my images through AI for my coloring book, doing stuff on my Etsy shop. So let's get back to this. Okay, see, we getting shade in already. This is the thing. ChatGPT will give you what you want, but it's going to take maybe one or two. Go back in and tell it, okay, this is not it. She looks good, but her hair is all shaded in. So we're going to tell it, there is shading in her hair. Please redo for no shading in the hair. Look at this right here. Now I'm going to eat me some chips. It did take the shading out the hair. You see that? Took it out. I don't have a problem with this. It's okay. See, there's no gradient, no shading. Okay, we're doing good. So we over here to Gemini because we looking to start a new relationship. So we gonna put this prompt in here, honey. So we gonna write vertical ratio. And I said, what you got, Gemini? What you giving me? Let me know if you worthy of my attention. Oh, that wouldn't even take 2 seconds. Wait a minute now. What is this, honey? What is it? Okay. We are loving this look. Oh, over this here. Let's put them together. So let me know in the comment section, which one are you guys feeling here? Okay, I like this. I like the aesthetic. I like how she's looking. She looks very Afrocentric. Caddy over here, she looks like a boy, you know? I mean, she looks very androgynous, you know? We're over here, Gemini is giving. It's giving me face. It's giving me fashion. This is what I want for my fashion coloring book, honey. Okay, so we're going to try another one. Let's try another one. I'm going to say vertical ratio because he like to give you that one-on-one if you don't tell him. See, but we wait. Ooh, this is looking lovely. I like the lashes. Ooh, he is coming through, honey. She looks good. Yeah! Come through, chat! We loving this. It's giving face. It's giving braids. It's giving sunglasses. It's giving lashes. Yes, honey. I think he knows that I'm looking to break up with him. So he's coming through. He still needs to work on his time. Okay, so we're going to go over here to Gemini. Okay. We're going to put the vertical ratio again because they like to give you that one-on-one ratio. Okay, Gemini, what you got for me? Oh, that was fast. That was fast. But wait a minute. This is looking good too. But her braids have a little bit too much shading in it for me. You see what I'm saying? But she's looking lovely. Write in the comment. Let me know which one is winning so far. Chatty or Gemini? Gonna ask them again. We do that over in ChatGPT. We're gonna ask it over in Gemini. Too much shading in her braid. Please redo for no shading in the braids. Guys, I'm giving you the gems right here. This is how I get my coloring image from my book. I'll be working on them. So he's generating the image. Oh, that was fast. So it's the same girl. It didn't change anything about this new image. It did put a little bit more, it took a little bit of the shading out. I can't choose. ChatGPT looks a little cleaner, very clean, more sharper. They both look good. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie. They both look good. Honey, yes. The lashes is popping over here with ChatGPT. I'm liking the ChatGPT. Guys, this is my first time using Gemini, and I'm very impressed with Gemini. Okay, so we're gonna try one more, guys, because I could do this all day. As a matter of fact, I have done this for hours and hours because I enjoy it that much. So let's do another one. Okay, so we're gonna put vertical ratio. Look at this right here. He does big reveal with these images. He never used to do that before his update. So I would like to think he's still updating, because who got time for this? Look at this. You still listening to me talk, waiting for this image. It may take a moment. Even telling you this may take a moment. Honey. Ooh, he's giving it to me. She is lovely. Okay. This was supposed to be a little peek. I'm a little peeking through right there. Okay. Let's look at it. Ooh, she's lovely. Okay. Let's go over here to the new relationship we trying to build with Gemini. See what he got for me. See if he's better than Chatty. Okay, Gemini. Let me know. Vertical ratio. Okay, Gemini. What you got for me? Ooh. Oh, Gemini. What is this, honey? This is not a coloring page. Oh, and why her eyes looking like that? Oh, no. Remove the shading from her skin for a true coloring page. So it's a little bit too blotch with too much white. So we'll move on. So let's do another one. This one has a hat. Let's see. Our hat is not on our head, but it's giving me a very true coloring page right here. This is a true coloring page without any graded shading and stuff. So as you can see, as he's taking a sweet time right here. Her hat, I would say I'm not pleased with that. So we're gonna go over here to Gemini. Vertical ratio. Let's see what he's gonna give us. See if he could redeem himself. Oh, my prompt is messed up. It's not the AI. I need to remove this hat. Let's remove the hat because I'm asking for a cornrow updo and she has a hat on. I don't know why that's like that, but we gotta take that out. Let's take out the hat. I created this prompt and sometimes you make mistake. Okay, let's go with this. So this is why ChatGPT, the hat was kind of crooked on her head because the prompt was not clear. Ooh, honey. Okay. Yes. This is giving what it needs to get. Well, not everything. It's too much shading for me. Too much shading in the cornrow. Updo. Please redo without no shading for a true coloring page. Okay, let's see if it gives what it gives, honey. But okay, we are loving this, honey. This is nice. We like that. What do you guys think? Guys, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. So we're going to go back over here to ChatGPT and give him a chance to redo this because, like I said, the prompt was flawed. All right, so let's see what he's going to come through with again, honey. Okay, here we go. We waiting again. The reveal, honey, it's like a little striptease going on here. But this is coming through, honey. Okay, this is nice. I did this last one right here. So you guys go ahead and vote and let me know which one do you think is better, ChatGPT or Gemini? So I want you to vote on it. Clearly, you can see that ChatGPT have this slowing down of images. And when generating images for your coloring books, sometimes it boils down to your prompting. So the prompting is not the issue. It's the how long it's taken just to generate one image. And now that you know how fun it can be just creating these images for your coloring books side hustle, you're going to need to know how you can format it the right way and how you're going to upload it on Amazon KDP. So go ahead and check this video out where I'm showing you step by step how you can get this done. And I'll see you in my next video.